Hello, Super Lightning. This is your champion, Tanner Barker, back again. And I know that the video of my H.J. Hollis review has just been published, but I decided to wanted to do the second review, which is, if you saw by the thumbnail, Max Schnell, which I have the two versions of Max Schnell, which I will show the tips of it. Like, the tip of one of them, the tip of another of them. But enough joking around, time to get to unboxing. Oh my god, this box is so big that it won't even fit on the podium, so I kind of have to remove the podium to unbox the box. Get it? Unbox the box. Right, so this time I'm gonna lay the blocks. This time I'm gonna lay the box flat. Oh my god, why is it so damn difficult to open the damn box? And I think tomorrow there may be like a Disney car review or a Hot Wheels review. If there's at least any car that I don't have in stores that I may get, then we may have a Cars review. Oh, wait, what? Oh my god, it's taped to the side. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry everyone. The camera was so close that it literally hit the phone and then it went kablamo. Get the box out of it. And here is Max Schnell. Hold on. Here is Max Schnell. So let's get to unboxing him. Easier than it looks. Here's Max Schnell out of the package. So Max Schnell is the racer number 4 from Germany. And he's actually the host of the 2016 series, Carbon Racers. So let's start taking a look at Max's details. Don't drive off, Max. Stay. And also to compare, I also have here the China one, but we'll do that later. But anyway, so in the front he has his frown with the headlights, the grille, and his eyes. On the front bonnet or hood, it says WTCL, which means World Torque Championship League. On the side, he has the German flag with the number 4 with the badge. All in all, in the World Grand Prix. His rims are gray. His spoiler is gray. On the back, have the taillights with the number 4. Powered by All in All, the German flag, and World Grand Prix. Other side is basically the same thing. And it's not flipped. Well, kind of flipped. Wait, is it flipped? I guess it's kind of flipped, I guess. So on the flop, darn, what's wrong with me today? So on the top, there's more of this German flag. And he was supposed to have side mirrors, just like on the artwork. Right there and right there. But it actually broke off. But anyway, enough of the review, and now let's get to the comparison. So here's my China Max Schnell. And yes, the scratch that I did on the review of H.J. Hollis, you can barely see it. It's right here. You can clearly see like a dot there. But it's okay, I'm strong, so that didn't really hurt. So comparing China to Thailand, if I had to say, if my China Max was in good condition, which one I would prefer? Probably the China one. Mainly because of the eyes. They look a lot better than the Thailand one. The Thailand one's eyes is really derpy. And on the China one, it's really, really nice. If only I could, like, drill out both of the vehicles, flip these eyes, well, drill these eyes, and flip them to the China one's eyes, this would be my new favorite Max Schnell for sure. And another advantage is that this one has silver rims, but it only colored because in real life, well, the China version does have silver rims, but on the Thailand has gray rims. And the other Max Schnell I wanted to compare is the Silver Racer, which has a totally different expression. He's more angry, and this one's more calm. And by what I saw in the Cars, Pixar Cars Character Encyclopedia, Max Schnell does not like surprises, which means that probably is the reason why Max has these two facial expressions. But both of these Max are really cool. So here's my silver one. the Thailand one, and the China one. Wait, why is the China one here? Oh yeah, because I placed them there. Well, I don't think it's Silver Racer. Oh. Thank you so much for watching. Champion Racer Collection saying goodbye. Oh boy, here comes trash! Just like that Thailand Max Schnell.